Careful because it seems like the spoon was broken.
Why?
Why you need to like this? Screama. Aray ko. Hello guys. I want to eat rice.
Hello guys, we just play together.
I want to eat rice pero yun, tingnan nyo yung iniwan ng amo ko. Nag-order siya ng noodles pero hindi niya kinain. Uy, so why so many, be? Why mama order a lot?
No, seaweed inside. It's so yummy.
The seaweeds, but why you did not eat? Oh, that's why mama did not eat this. You don't like the seaweeds put here, mixed together?
I like, but I don't because I don't think it's food because I just finished it's a cereal.
Oh yeah, you're right. But I have soup. Also same as your soup. So yummy.
What is yummy?
So yummy.
What is that? No.
Oh, a lot of my noodle is so lot. Wait, eat your rice and drink the soup, huh?
It's the rice. Ginny, I finished it and I put a water and I go to drawing lesson.
Yeah. I don't know your drawing lesson what time, but we need to eat now because if Papa will call us to go to the drawing lesson, we don't know what time. I really don't like this kind of noodles, but no choice.
Why?
This is tasty, but I really don't like these noodles.
Why?
Wait.
Is there cheese? Is it your cheese?
No, I just clean the floor.
Oh.
Eat the rice, babe.
There's only a little bit, you see, you're almost finished.
No, it's a lot.
No. Why you take video but why you didn't say anything? You only eat
Hello guys. Oh, that's it.
Hello guys, we just play together.
Hello guys, my baby is so naughty.
No. I am Poo baby.
Dirty, eh?
Not dirty, it's clean.
You ate that?
No!
That's clean, right?
No.
You eat na, you eat na. Baby, eat the rice, baby. It's not like that. I will pull the sauce.
No. Genius. What is like it is light it and light it and turn around and eat. I want to drink the soup. Then I will eat this one because it is because I drink this one so I drink.
This soup is same as your soup. I put here.
No.
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 Mama gave me don't have soap. Yeah. So I put the soap. Your soap I put here. Same. Drink the rice. I drink. Drink the rice.
Oh, I don't know rice. Finish drink the rice.
So yummy. Okay, good na.